Oh, there you are, YouTube, and happy 4th of July! What day is it today?
A firework day. A firework day.
That's right. So today, what are we gonna do? Why are we outside?
Because we are gonna do a firework.
Yeah, their very first time playing with fireworks. Although we live in a state where fireworks are illegal, so there'll be some people tonight, I'll video this tonight, people who travel to Indianapolis, or Indiana I should just say, and get their fireworks there. But yeah, big deal, fireworks are illegal in our state. So we're gonna play with the fireworks we can play with here in our state. So very safe things, but that's what we're gonna do. It's their very first time playing with fireworks, and they're very excited. It's very sunny and hot. And you picked a dandelion. And you found a stick. So the first thing they're gonna play with, or getting them right now, are these poppets. Just those little white bags that you throw onto concrete.
Yeah, throw it on
and then they pop. Here, try it.
Don't throw it like...
Oh, did you hear that?
Here.
Here, you try one.
Oh,
You kind of gotta throw them a little bit
throw
hard.
them down.
Yeah, throw them down.
Try to use some force.
Yeah, not
like,
just drop them, but
don't drop them, throw them.
yeah.
No, like this. Let me show you. Ready? Watch.
Whoa!
You gotta throw it hard. Throw it down.
Illinois fireworks. Thrilling.
Oh.
I think they love them though. Is that fun? Yeah, throw them down.
Here, don't throw them away from you. Throw them down. Watch.
Oh, that was a good one. Yeah, mommy got it. Oh. Like throw it down. Throw it on the ground like you're angry. Oh, that was good. That was good. You guys are still dropping them and somehow it's still working. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I used to try and clap these in my hands when I was a kid. Why? I don't know. I'm sure everyone's seen these before, but they come in like this sawdust, and they're those little white bags twisted on the end, and they just throw them on the ground and they make that little pop sound. Now they're throwing it at the staircase.
Do it hard, not like you're mad.
Yeah, like you're... Oh, yeah, good job. Oh, that one was kind of a floater of a throw. Rookie of the year. Float it. But you want to throw it hard. Rosengartner.
Just do some of those.
Next, we're going to do some smoke bombs or smoke balls in assorted colors. Looks like candy, doesn't it?
Okay, so
what do we do?
Here, hold on. This is something that Daddy does, okay? So we're gonna light them on fire.
Oh, look at those
And then
colors.
There's gonna be colored smoke.
Yeah, we'll just watch.
You want to put it on the ground? Okay, which color should we do? Maybe yellow and purple? Green? Okay, put a yellow. No, not in the
No,
grass,
on the
sidewalk.
concrete. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Do this one first.
Maybe move the other three apart a little bit. Okay, watch.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Okay, go stand in front of it. Go do
Here,
it.
go stand in front.
Run in front of it.
Look at that.
Run in front of it. Run in front of it. Not through it.
Woo! Look
Here,
at that.
again.
And look, now it made pretty colors on our sidewalk. Awesome.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Was that cool? We'll do more, yeah. Maybe we'll do like 1 or 2 at a time. Here, get closer to the smoke.
Come closer to the smoke. I can't get any good picture. Okay, try again.
That is so cool. Is that fun or what? Kind of short-lived, but it's fun.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Okay, you can run.
Look at those fun colors.
Okay, so we have one more shot.
One more.
Little sweeties. Look here, though.
What are we playing with?
These.
What are they called?
Smoke bomb. Smoke bomb.
Scream it.
Smoke bomb. Smoke bomb.
That's right. Last three. Here we go.
Yeah. If we get more of them, we could do them again. If we get more, we could do them again.
Closer to the bombs.
Yeah, closer here.
Oh, that looks kind of cool, though. What did you think? Now we got a really pretty driveway. What are you playing with next? Yeah, sparklers.
All right.
Now, we gotta give you some rules with these first. Again.
Mom,
Here we go, hold it out.
do it! Do it!
She seems so unfazed.
Do it! Do
What
it!
do you think?
Do it up high.
Is that cool?
Do it up.
See, these are really cool at nighttime, but
Yeah.
it's still pretty cool right now.
But you guys will be in bed when it's dark.
Huh? Do it!
Do what?
You want yours?
Up high.
Oh, you should actually put one up next against. No, no. Up against that. Now back up. Here, please do not move it. There you go. No, no.
Here
Okay.
you go. Don't.
Here. Look at you guys. Is that fun?
Can we get a pic?
Here, keep it away from each other. Oh, darn it. Walk away from each other. There you go.
I don't think that was the issue.
No, she just burnt herself.
I don't think she did it at all.
Look at that.
Good job.
Give me yours. There you go.
All right.
Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah. All done. Going inside now to get some ice cream. I'm sweating bullets. It's like 90, high 90s right now. So yeah, ready to go inside for some ice cream. So I got these like drumstick things, and yeah, they're gonna eat these. We've never had them before, but they look good, and they're small. They're mini, so they should be able to finish them hopefully. Ooh, look at that.
I'll call my sister Muncie.
You call her Muncies?
Yeah.
And what? Ooh, that one has like little crummies on it. Ooh, that's gonna be good.
There you go.
Yum. Let me get a close-up of that. That looks so good. Ah, that looks awesome. That's like strawberry shortcake, and yours is chocolate on chocolate. Here, let me see in there. Yeah, chocolate on chocolate. Looks so good. So we got one little burn during fireworks, but you did pretty good, didn't you? Something to remember it by. Oh, I'll help you. Here, let me see your face. Good ice cream cone, huh?
Ice cream on your forehead.
You got some too? Oh, you do. How do you always get it on your forehead, both of you? Oh, that's why you did. Hey, don't do that. Are you guys unicorns? Silly kids. Kids are asleep. We just had some burgers and beers, and now we're gonna watch Independence Day. It's starting to get dark. I'm hearing the neighbors shoot off fireworks. Well, distant neighbors. Our next door neighbors, they had a big party last night, and that's when they were shooting off stuff. But I want to check outdoors. Maybe we're getting some big fireworks going. Who knows? We'll check. I can hear it, but I can't see it. They're happening all around me. There's the moon. I could see a little bit over there. I don't know. Let me see if I can get some of that. I couldn't get it. Yeah, and I'm only seeing like little bits from the canopy. But I'm sure you can hear it in the video, right? Like it's happening everywhere, but right here. And the trees are just getting in the way. Oh, okay. I'm gonna film some. Found some. Through the trees. That's my fireworks show for tonight. Right through those branches. Not the best view, but still fun. Heading back out for another look. Those were pretty cool. Definitely out-of-state fireworks. They did it. They saved the day. They saved planet Earth. Independence Day, still very good. Love that movie. Grew up watching it. Had it on VHS. Had that lenticular, you know, little card that came with the VHS. Saw it in the theater. Pretty sure I saw that with my mom. Mom and sister. Yeah, good stuff there. So yeah, 4th of July was fun. Kids played with fireworks. That was their very first time doing that. And, you know, it was pretty, you know, kiddie stuff. But we did get a burn. We got a burn on the hand from sparklers. You know, first time playing with sparklers. But yeah, you know, it's gonna happen. I think we've all been burned by a sparkler, and yeah, it was cool to see them excited about those pops and the smoke bombs and things like that. So a fun 4th of July. Didn't have too many fireworks close to the house, like the bigger ones, and I think that's just because the neighbors who normally set them off did so the night before. They had a lot of people over. It was a very big party, so they probably just used up all their fireworks. But yeah, we can still hear them. I'm still hearing them now, and it's, I don't know, probably 11 p.m. and we'll probably hear them throughout the entire night. And we'll probably hear them the next night, the next night, the next night. Give it a month, and then they'll probably die down a little bit. But anyway, happy 4th of July to the Americans out there, and perhaps I'll see you tomorrow for more Pure Hangout.